whenever you are in a gathering and you are just the only one talking, you're just talking, you never keep quiet. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of seeing this wonderful face, please do not make it your last by clicking on the subscribe button. Also give this video a huge thumbs up if you end up enjoying it. But if you're not, my loves, welcome back. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about feminine energy. I talked about feminine energy in my previous video. That is for beginners. You know, if you want to get started by heat and you're overwhelmed, that video is definitely for you. I'm going to leave the link to the video up here, yeah, so that you can go watch that first if you're starting up. But this video is going to be about activating your feminine essence. Okay, so things you have to do to activate your feminine essence. The previous video was for beginners, so if you've watched that video, I believed you've implemented it. Okay, so this video is to activate your feminine essence after you understanding what femininity is all about in my previous video. So this one is to activate. Okay, so femininity, like I said in my previous video, is not just okay, I just want to be feminine. You don't even understand it. I explained what it is about in my previous video. I'm not going to do that in this video. Okay, so if you want to know what femininity is all about, go check that video out. It's yeah, I'll drop it there. So this video is activating your feminine energy. If you want to, your feminine essence, if you want to know everything how to activate it, then stick to the end of this video. The first thing you have to do to activate is, and the most important thing is to love yourself. To love yourself. Just think, loving yourself counts. It matters a lot in the whole process, in the whole journey. Okay, so if you do not love yourself, if you don't love everything about you, there is no how you want to be feminine, because femininity is all about confidence. Okay, so if you do not love yourself, you cannot be confident, and the moment you're not confident, then you're not going to lose that feminine energy. Okay, so you have to love yourself, you have to love everything about you. Loving yourself also has to do with accepting yourself, accepting the kind of person that you are, accepting your looks, how you look, and every other thing. So if you don't love yourself, it's not going to work. It's just all that means the other steps, the other things to activate will not manifest, will not show if you do not love yourself. So I just feel like there is like it's totally wrong not to love yourself. I honestly, because before you can love any other person, you should appreciate and love yourself first. So I feel like it's something that it shouldn't even be possible for you not to love yourself. Like you're you're number one, you're the priority, number one being, the number one being in the whole universe to yourself. So you have to love yourself. So if you don't love yourself, how will you be able to do others? How will you be able to use this feminine energy? It's not going to work. It's not possible. It's not going to be like that. So you have to understand yourself, appreciate yourself, accept yourself, then love yourself. If you are maybe short in height, if you're tall, if you're slim, if you are, plumpy, if you're chubby and everything, accept it, then love it. This is not telling you that you cannot work on some aspect you don't like, but accepting yourself is different from trying to level up or elevate yourself. So it's two different things. It's different. So elevating yourself is different from okay, accepting or loving yourself. So you can love yourself and still level up in some areas. It's totally fine. Okay, so loving yourself is very important. The next thing that I will talk about, which is also very important in activating our feminine essence, is self-care. Yeah, self-care. And self care isn't just about going to the spa, going to, body massage, going for body massage, going to the spa, going to, those things. It's not getting maybe facial, getting those things. It's not. All I'm saying is self care. Develop your own self care routine. It doesn't have to be copied. It doesn't have to be what other people does or what you see people doing. It's just something, just a kind of self-care that makes you happy, that makes you feel more feminine, that activates all the feminine energy in you. Okay, so it's not like, okay, I have to, okay, maybe you saw a video, an article, and you're like, okay, let me, this person did this, I have to do that. Nah, that mentality is totally wrong. Okay, it is wrong. So if you see somebody that does something, that doesn't mean you have to do that to be your own routine. What I'm saying is cultivate your own self-care routine. Self-care for you might be reading a book. Self-care for you might be relaxing. Self-care for you might be having your beauty sleep. Self-care for you might be going to the spa. Self-care for you might be doing your facials. It's just what makes you feel that thing that when you're done doing it, you feel, activated, you feel alive, you feel like, okay, like my whole feminine thing is it's opened. Okay, so it doesn't have to be what you're seeing. And self-care is very important. Honestly, there are some times that you do some things. Maybe you just, you did your body scrub, you scrub your skin, and do your, your face scrub. And after doing those things, trust me, you're going to feel more feminine. It's just, it's not something that is maybe automatic or something, but it helps, it activates, it's, oh god, it brings these things out, that it brings, it's just bring out your feminine energy, like, okay, yeah, I am alive. So that's just what I'm saying. It doesn't have to be what other people are doing. Like me, for example, my self-care routine is, okay, doing my body scrub, using my cream, using my mat, and using some facials and everything. So that's, once I do all those things, trust me, guys, it's normally make me feel like a woman, like a feminine woman that I am. Okay, so it doesn't have to be what others are doing. Trust me, it doesn't have to be. It just have to be what you can do, what you love doing, what you enjoy the most. Yeah. So the next thing, guys, that is going to help in this activating our feminine essence is invest in yourself. Invest in yourself. So investing in yourself doesn't have to do with money, or doesn't have to do with buying expensive things, buying expensive clothes. Nah, nada. Investing in yourself is it can be, we can categorize it in many various ways. Okay, so by reading a book, by getting knowledge, like they said knowledge is power. By getting knowledge and knowing things that you do not know is also investing in yourself. You're also investing in yourself by doing that. Okay, so when you are reading a book, maybe you want to learn about something, you do not know about it, then you went out, took your money, you bought the book, or yeah, and you start reading it, then you have knowledge about it. That is you investing in yourself. That's time, having time for yourself, having the time, creating time for yourself, for you. Okay, you know, by gaining knowledge about something is also investing in yourself. It doesn't have to do with buying shoes, buying bags, buying clothes. We all know that this channel is not about the outward appearance alone, though it is about outward appearance, but it is not about the outward appearance alone. So there are a lot of other things that we need to learn, that we have to know. We cannot just be, just body alone without anything inside. It's not something that we are going to encourage on this channel. So investing in yourself can be you buying a book, can be you gaining knowledge about what you do not know, can be, going out of your comfort zone to know what you want to know, or to know that thing that everybody seems to know about and you do not know about it. So investing in yourself requires time, requires creating that time for yourself. Just out of that your busy day, your busy time, still creating that time to, invest in yourself. So when you are saying, I want to invest this in myself, it's not like, okay, I want to invest bag, or I want to invest. We can do that, but that is not all. Nah, that is not all. That is not total. That is not the only thing. We need a whole lot of things as an elegant woman, as a feminine woman. Your brain, you have to have know something up here. I said that in my previous video. You have to know something here, not like you must not be empty up here. So, and how do you feel this place? How do you feel it with something? By investing in yourself, by getting books, by googling about something, by researching, by knowing things, by going out of your comfort zone to know things. So we have to be able to do that in order to activate our feminine essence. Okay. So the next thing that we will be talking about also is accept help. Mhm. Yeah, accept help. Accept help. Don't just be a kind of person who is so rigid, whereby you feel like anybody that offers to help you is having an ulterior motive, or is doing it for a purpose or for a reason. Okay. Now, not everybody is like that. Okay. Though we're in a country that we believe everybody trying to help you needs something in return, but it's not the kind of help that I'm talking about. Is, for instance, you're going out, you have big bags, and someone just offers to help you to carry it. It's fine. Femininity is all about softness. I said that in the previous video, in the beginner's video. Please, if you've not seen that video, you need to go check it out so that you can understand everything I'm talking about. Okay. So femininity is all about softness. The moment you are able to cultivate this habit of softness, you'll be able to understand what I'm talking about. Okay. When someone offers to help you out, it's something that you can accept, but we still have to be careful. Yeah. So the next thing that I will share with us that will also help us is accept compliment graciously. When you took an extra effort to look good, we all know looking good is not something that just comes easily like that. We know. So when you now try, you took an extra effort to look good, to look pretty. This lady took an extra effort to look this good. The least that you can do when the person complimented that, oh, you look good, is saying thank you. It's just two words that is not hurtful. So if I am looking this pretty, yeah, I know, and I'm going out and someone sees that okay, I've done this, I'm looking this good, I took extra effort, and the person compliments me, all I will say is, oh, thank you. I accept it graciously, with grace. Okay, with grace. That grace, as a feminine woman, we have to possess it. So you have to accept the compliment with grace, graciously. Don't be receptive. Don't be like, why are you complimenting me? Is it your business? The fact that I'm looking good, is it your business? Nah, that doesn't portray us as a good feminine woman. Okay. So the next thing that will also help us to activate our feminine essence is talk less. Mhm. Talk less. Don't talk too much. Don't be a talkative now. Whereby you are in a gathering and you are just the only one talking. You're just talking, you're just talking. You never keep quiet. That doesn't portray you as a feminine woman. It cannot activate your feminine essence. It cannot. You know, you picture it. Just imagine this. You're in a gathering and somebody is just talking, is the only one talking, talking and talking and talking. It's annoying when we're in a garden and you're just talking, you're just pointing out, you just you never keep quiet. It's so annoying. It can get frustrating. So don't be a kind of woman like that. That cannot activate your feminine essence. It will, in fact, it will just quench it. It will, mm-mm, it will quench the whole thing. Talk less. A situation where you have a lot of people, Everybody wants to contribute. Everybody is expected to contribute. So once you hear your opinion and you talk about it, it's okay. You don't have to, just be pouring everything that happens. Not when you're not a typewriter. Hmm? Not everything that happened in your life, maybe the past week, depend on the kind of relationship that you have with that person, you can share. But sharing what happened to you in the past weeks doesn't, it's different from you talking too much. It's two different things. So all I'm saying is talk less. Meaning, sorry guys, minimize the way you talk, minimize when you are with people, minimize what you're saying, minimize how you just pour out things. It makes people look at you and belittle you. That's just it. It makes people belittle you. They'll just be like, that girl, oh, she's here again. Oh, she's coming again. Yeah, that kind of reputation sucks, and we do not want that for ourselves. We do not want that on this community. This community is nothing like that. It's nothing like that. So we have to be able, when you notice that you're the only one talking, take a step back, pause. Pause it, pause your talk. Just keep quiet. Allow other people to talk. And when you're talking too much, people will not even talk. They'll just be looking at you. Some people will not say you're talking too much. Some people will not correct you. But in their mind, the kind of reputation you already have in their face is something that we do not want to portray. That respect might reduce, because when you meet someone that is a talkative, that talks like a parrot, it's especially meaningless talk. Yeah. So we do not want to do that. So the final point that is going to help activate her feminine energy, our feminine essence is, you guys guess, is engaging in things that makes you happy. This channel is all about ourselves, not that we want to become a feminine woman just to attract opposite sex. No, that is not why we are being feminine. It is for ourselves. It is because we love ourselves. It is because we accept ourselves. It is because we are so blessed with the kind of person that we have. That is why we want to become a feminine woman on this channel, in this community that we are building. Yeah, so we have to engage in things that makes us happy, things that delight us, things that a happy person is it will be able to do all things. When you are not happy, how will you be able to activate your feminine essence? The only thing you will be using that is masculine essence. Yeah, you're not going to be able to activate that feminine essence. You will not be able. So engage in things that make you happy. If it's listening to music, if it's dancing, maybe when you wake up in the morning, there are some people that do that. The first thing you do is play music, then you dance. It will just make you active. It will energize you. So if that is what makes you happy, do it. Yeah, if swimming makes you happy, do it. If going to the spa makes you happy, do it. If dressing nice makes you happy, do it. If anything that makes you happy, do it. Yeah, engage in things that makes you happy. The moment you are happy, that is when you'll be able to do a whole lot of stuff. That is when you'll be able to house out this your feminine energy. Yeah, guys. Yeah. So we have to be happy. As a woman, we have to be happy. So the take home for this video is, number one is love yourself. Love yourself. Love everything that has to do with you. You can level up some things. Yeah, it's acceptable. But at least before leveling up, you have to accept it and love it very well. Yeah. So thank you very much, guys, for watching till the end. We've come to the end of today's video. And if you have enjoyed it so far and you are so blessed by it, please hit that like button, give this video a big thumbs up. Please give it a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Help this community we are building so it can grow. Let's contribute. So let's subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell notification down below so that you'll be the first person to know when I upload a new video. Yeah. And so guys, I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye.